In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Asana project private. By the end, you'll know exactly where to adjust access so only the right people can view or change what matters. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This is the quickest way to get oriented and make sure you're in the correct workspace. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Portfolio. Portfolios in Asana are collections that group related projects, and the privacy controls you're about to use live here. If your project sits inside a portfolio, managing its access at the portfolio level is the most reliable way to keep it private to a specific audience. Once you're in the relevant portfolio, find the name at the top and open the drop-down menu next to it. This small menu is where Asana keeps ownership, sharing, and privacy controls. Choose Manage Portfolio Permissions. That will open a permissions panel dedicated to who can do what inside this portfolio, which directly influences who can see and change the projects it contains. In the section labeled Who Can Modify This Portfolio's Workflow and Appearance, decide who should be allowed to make structural changes. This covers things like sections, custom fields, and overall views that shape how work is organized. If your priority is privacy and control, keep this group small, typically the owner or a limited number of trusted admins. Restricting modification privileges prevents accidental exposure through layout changes or added collaborators. Next, look at who can share and manage portfolio memberships. This setting determines who can invite others in, remove people, or otherwise expand access. To keep your project private, set this to the narrowest appropriate option, such as only the owner or a short list of designated managers. Think of this as the gatekeeper control. If someone can't manage membership, they can't broaden who sees the portfolio or the projects within it. Review the current members carefully and make sure only necessary teammates remain. Fewer people with sharing power means tighter, more predictable privacy. As you confirm these choices, the permissions apply immediately, and your project becomes visible only to the people you've authorized through the portfolio. If you ever need to adjust access for a launch, audit, or handoff, just return to that same dropdown and revisit Manage Portfolio Permissions. A practical tip is to communicate these settings to your team so everyone understands where to request access and who maintains it, which reduces confusion and keeps work secure. That's it. You navigated to Home, opened Portfolio, used the dropdown to reach Manage Portfolio Permissions, then tightened who can modify and who can share. Your Asana project is now effectively private within its portfolio.